Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning. Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.